Science lesson number 3, asexual reproduction. What does this mean? Asexual reproduction. Let's say it together. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Did you say this word twice? If you haven't, please say it out loud twice to practice saying the word. A in front of any word as a prefix means without. This will make more sense when we learn what sexual reproduction is, but just keep this in mind and remember. It is a noun. The meaning: when organisms reproduce with only one parent. If you don't write this down now, that's okay. You can also write it down from the next slide. Please make sure you pause this video to write down the meaning. So, asexual reproduction. Some organisms can reproduce with only one parent. This type of reproduction is called asexual reproduction. It results in offspring that are exactly like the parent. You can say that it's like a clone. Can you remember the term used for exactly alike from the last lesson? If you haven't said it out loud, you can go ahead and say it out loud to yourself. Is this the vocabulary word you were thinking? Identical. So offspring of organisms that reproduce through asexual reproduction are identical to the parent. Oops. I forgot to fix this, so you can go ahead and ignore that. Does this look familiar? Do you think that's why we learned what identical means? So, there are many forms of asexual reproduction. Some plants can reproduce or make more of themselves, if you forgot what reproduce means, through asexual reproduction. Even some animals reproduce through asexual reproduction. Did you know that? That means they only have one parent. Humans, like you and I, have two parents. Even if we don't know who they are, or if we have other parents involved, or just have one, we still needed two parents in order to come up with our genes to reproduce. We're always half our mom and half our dad. In asexual reproduction, you only need one parent. We'll talk about the many forms of asexual reproduction in future lessons. Isn't it amazing that some animals can do this? So let's repeat this again. We learned what asexual reproduction is. Asexual reproduction is when offspring is produced by only one parent. Asexual reproduction is when offspring are identical to the parent. What did you learn about asexual reproduction so far? Write it down in the Learn section now if you would like. Are there any questions you have about asexual reproduction or anything else from today? You can also write it down in the questions. Now, if you're still listening and watching this video, you'll see that in your notes that you have in your document, if you go to the bottom where the table is, where you're supposed to write down what you learned and the questions you have, there's a link to another video that you're going to watch so that you can write more things that you've learned and other questions that you might have.